Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first ever plan with me video. We're gonna go on this journey together. I wanted to do a plan with me video for the month of March. And first, this is my Erin Condren. So this is kind of like business plan with me. This is my Erin Condren planner. I love this. This actually came with it. It says plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. I just love all of the quotes that this planner comes with because it just like keeps you motivated as a business owner and just as a person. So I'm going to get the stuff out of the way and I'm going to open it up to the month of March. I have the hourly layout for those, and I did start writing in it because I have stuff I have to take care of, right? I will actually be, again, I thought I would give this a try, but I'm going to use the plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. I think I'm going to go with the gold stickers, and I am going to so this was actually my son's birthday, so we can put that right there. And I left this, I didn't center it because I may have a business. I'll get to that, but I'm going out of town for the Art Summit and Social Media Marketing World Conference. I may have some things that I have to put in these dates, so that's why I did not, like I left a little space and that's why I didn't center it. And I'm actually going to, I know this day it actually starts, and I'm gonna just put this right there. Actually, no, I want to remove that because I do have something I need to actually, I'm like the worst. All right, so this should be there, and let's see, I'm actually like really loving this gold foil. I'm going to put, I need another celebrate. I'm going to put this was actually anniversary. So this is what it looks like so far. I need to put some more stuff over here. This over here. I'm going to look to see what other stuff they have back here. This is what I was looking for. So out of here, so I'm just like trying to figure out which stickers from here so I don't have to like keep on coming back. I'm surprised they don't have any for like flights or anything. So we are going to go back to March. I love the way it's coming together. I'm very simple. Like this is my first time ever doing this, guys. Like I'm not a planner, the person who like, this is my first time doing it, and I'm actually having a lot of fun. Then I think I am going to, today's the 8th, so actually there's a couple of things I need to do. And I'm sorry if the placement, like I'm trying to make it place right. I'm like so not good with this. All right, I think that's a little better. I wanted to put this heart somewhere and put it right over here. All right, so I have all my stickers and I'm going to fill in my days at some point. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I use my stickers from the Erin Condren Plan for Tomorrow, Celebrate Today Design Sticker Book Classic Collection Edition 4. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll chat with you guys in the next video.